from summer camp. They were starving. Now, the little honey hydrator drinks, Eleanor liked it okay. She wasn't super thrilled with it, but Thatcher didn't like his at all, which surprised me. He's the one that I would have thought would really like it. And Eleanor said the same thing as I did, that it had a mango taste to it instead of orange or anything like that. But Thatcher said it had too much honey and he just didn't like it. So he didn't even drink his. But today we're going to make cracked chicken sliders. So I've got a rotisserie chicken down in my slow cooker. And this doesn't have to cook. Everything in it is already cooked. I'm just really using the slow cooker to melt it all together. So I'm using 1.5 blocks of cream cheese. And that is just because I have half a block left still. And then we're going to toss in 1 8-ounce block of sharp cheddar cheese also. Next up, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning dry mix, or you can just use 1 of the little packets. This is a little bit more than 1 full packet, but I personally wouldn't open up another one just to use part of it, but at least in this instance. And then we're going to take some green onion. I just grabbed maybe about a small bunch or a half a bunch worth, just whatever feels right to you. And last up, we need 1 pound of cooked bacon. Now mine is still cooking in the oven, so I'm going to drop this in the slow cooker and let it get where it started warming up, and then when the bacon's all finished, we'll mix it through. So once your bacon is all done, you just want to crumble it into your mixture. And I did not tear my chicken into super small pieces because each time I come and stir it, it will kind of break it all up. So I'm just going to finish crumbling all of my bacon in and let this heat up. Okay, so I sliced up a package of Hawaiian rolls and just melted some butter with a little more ranch dressing in it. And we're just going to butter these and toast up our buns because a toasted bun just makes it even more yummy. And I just sliced these through the middle. I kind of wish they were already sliced, but then if I was eating it as a roll, I probably wouldn't want it sliced. So you can't please every situation. So we're going to put this in the oven for just a few minutes at 350, just till they get toasty. Alright y'all, so our buns are all toasted. We're just going to add a little lettuce. I'm also going to add a little slice of tomato on the top of each. I'm going to put some of our filling in, and we have some jumbo sliders. A little pickle on the side. I don't want it on my sandwich, but I do like to have a little bite to kind of balance it out. There we go. Super pretty, super yummy, and super easy.
Ba ba da ba da ba da ba ba.